So friends, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the Winry INU token. So it's a new token. Here we are going to talk about in detail, but before starting, if you are new on the channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about all the new videos. So friends, let's get started. First of all, I will show you that which things we are going to talk about. So here we have Winry INU token. Web3 number 1 decentralized cryptocurrency, 100% community driven, lead by professional innovators. So by Winry INU. So it's use Ethereum ERC20 tokens are crypto assets science and used solely on Ethereum platform. 100% ownership renounced means this project is for every person who owns its token. Community driven project participation with help of professional developers, marketing analysts and CSEO. So here you can see 1% burn, 1% redistribution below marketing and 8% marketing. So friends, here you can see take a complete look. Here is the audit roadmap, how to buy back, social white paper charts, and we are going to take a complete look on each and everything. So first of all, we take a look on other things. So here we have the token economics. Here is the token economics. 2% redistribution on every transaction automatically goes to holders. 1% deflationary through an automatic burning mechanism. 8% marketing fees to provide for marketing and future development. Total slippage should be at 12 to 14%. So friends, here is the contract address. You can copy this contract address and send it to your wallet so that you can add this to your wallet. So here is the honor, renounce and liquidity log for 100 plus years. So friends, here we have liquidity log in check, link check. So friends, here you can see liquidity log, link check, enter the honor renouncement, link check, and the community and new developer decides to burn 1 quadrillion Winry INU every month. So friends, here you can buy Winry now and available on Unicake Swap. So here is the roadmap. So friends, you can see the roadmap: level 1 startup, launch website version 2, Winry token release, Winry social media setup, coin market cap listings, CoinGecko listings, deposit, initial liquidity, opening trading on Uniswap roadmap version. So friends, here you can see that the level 1 stability, 1000 plus Winry holders, 3000 plus transactions, 1000 plus Telegram members, Twitter campaign, Instagram campaign, Facebook campaign, Google ads campaign. Level 3 HODL, here is the level 3 and level 4 progress, 3100 plus Winry token and 10,000 transactions and USDT liquidity. Level 5 campaigns, these are famous YouTuber partnerships, hire professional developers and podcast and TV news. So friends, here we have level 6 metaverse, you can see, and after that Winry NFT. So it is coming soon friends. After that, here is the contract address, you can buy it. How to buy? So here is a question that how we can buy this. So you have to meet the Winry and I am behind the project. So Uniswap, download Coinbase app or any wallet and go to your wallet, get coins and follow the instruction on Ethereum. Click the middle button or go to the Uniswap website and connect your wallet. So you can connect it. It used Ethereum network. So after that, Albank, download Albank, search for Winry INU token, buy at and voila. So after that, Hotbit app, download Hotbit, search for Winry, and you can download it also from now. And friends, also you can show Winry social media. Here is the Telegram, you can join their community, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, etc. What are you waiting for? Click me and you can be our Winry white paper. So friends, here we are going to talk about the Winry white paper and Winry audit. So here is the Winry audit and Winry white paper, which is given below. You can see here is the options of Winry white paper, roadmap and audit. So friends, we are going to take a look on the white paper. So here is the white paper of the Winry token. This is must and this is the white paper. So friends, you can see includes every detail you need for project. Roadmap includes 30 pages, generate greatness, and here is the roadmap. You can see this is the white paper of the Winry token, and it is essential to be sure to the members, and you can see that each and everything are explained here and each and everything are shown here. You can see, you can download this Winry PDF so that you can be able to get knowledge about each and everything about Winry. So here are 30 pages of Winry token. There is a white paper which is about introduction, Web3 and Winry of Web3, future products and journey and etc. So each and everything are discussed here in details. Friends, after that the white paper we are going to show smart contract address and audit. Now we are going to talk about the audit. Here is the audit and it is also essential like that white paper. So friends, you can see the audit of the Winry. It also contain on 13 pages. So here we have 13 pages of Winry. It use Ethereum, and here is the disclaimer and background, contact details, each and everything is given here. After that friends, if we go back to our website Winry charts, here is the Winry charts. You can see CoinMarketCap is a good way to check if a project is legit, and we are legit, no cap. Here is Dex tools and CoinChecker also. So friends, you can connect it to your wallet and you can easily be a part of it. So the video about the Winry token is all ends here, and we will meet again friends. Bye for that time.